morning, students. I am Dr. Joshita. Today we are going to see about Photoshop interfaces. This is the common Photoshop interface. A workspace looks like this when you open a Photoshop file. Let me explain you what is in this workspace. First, you can see here, this is menu bar. This menu bar will help you to find so many menus, file, edit, and also layer, everything. You can select from it. Here in this corner, left corner, you can see set of tools. So this is called as toolbar. Here you can find out your text tool, your image tool or cropping tool, and also paint tool. Everything you can find it here. The center space is the place where you can find your images here. Next is tool options bar. Here you can select quite good set of tool options. If you select a particular tool, let me explain you with a text tool. If you select with a text tool, so what is the text size, text face, and also text width, everything will be displayed here. So from there you can select your own option. Then in the down you can see the information for bar. Here in this info bar you can find out what is the thing where you are working, the number, where this position of this cursor and all these things. Next is this play. This is the area you can work for palettes. So in this area you can find a quite good number of palettes. So here is the palette menu. You can select from here and you can start working with this palette menu. Next interface is here we are going to see the application for in a detail. So here this application for you can find out the things. First let me come from the right side of the application for. So right side, as in every window you can see close window, minimize button and also maximize button. So with this you can close or minimize and maximize your application. Next set is next is our small box. This is a double arrow set. You can find out show more workspace options here. If you click this one, a list of a small pop-up window will be open to you and you can select some more workspace options. So here you can find out a workspace area. What are the workspace you are going to work? Design, painting, introductory, infographics, photographics, all these things will be displayed in this button. So here is a small bar is there. If you can pull it down the side in the slide, you can resize your window. Now let us come to closer to this one. First is the launch bridge. So his launch bridge will help you to launch your application. Next is launch in the small size. If I like this, next here you can see the zoom level. If you want to enlarge this one, you can use of this zoom level to be bigger or smaller. Next is screen mode. So which mode you could like to have your screen. So this screen mode will be used. Next is arranging your documents. If you would like to bring a particular document in front or send back side, you can do it with the arrange a document window. So this is the small things with the application bar. So next we are going to see the menu bar. So in the menu bar, as like all application, you can see file, edit, image and all these things. So few things will be specifically given to this Photoshop. They are layer, filter and also 3D views. So here in the file you can see new, open, save as, all these things. In edit you can find out all the cut, copy, paste or undo, redo, all options. In image you can see the image editing controls. So you can do it, bring back, all these things will be done here. The third is layer. Likewise, each and every menu has its own sub menu. When you click that particular menu button, you can find a pop-up menu will be displayed. Drop-down menu will be displayed here. You can select your own option according to your wish here. Next, let us go inside the view option. So this is the one big view. So in the view, you can find out the document size, document profile, document dimensions, scratch sizes, efficiency, trimming, and also current tool. So in the document size helps you to extend the document sizes. So you can see here in the down, it's a 100% this document. If you enlarge this one, you can go deeper into this image. Likewise, you can see this flavors so bigger. So likewise, you can enhance or you can view the document in a better way. So this is document size, and in the view option you can do it. So now let us move on to the next is the toolbar. So as I told you, toolbar in the left corner of the application. So first one is expand and collapse button. If you click this button, you can extend or collapse your toolbar set. So first one, Marquee tool. This is the rectangular Marquee tool. The letter within this brackets seems to or help you to understand what will be the shortcut for this tool. So M is the shortcut tool for rectangular Marquee. Next is move tool. V. Next laser tool. Quick selection. Crop. If you want to cut a particular portion, you can go for this crop. Eyedropper. Eyedropper means you can collect the base colors, base format from the previous one. So that is eyedropper. Next is spot healing brush. Another one is brush. Storm clone. So clone storm will help you to find out the basic idea or the format from the other image. Next is history. You can find out the list of things which are there in the previous work. Eraser and gradient, blur, dodge, pen tool, text type, plot selection. So all these things will help you to understand better about your interfaces. Thank you, students.